Ebinto byenibe nyinke nigo byatoka ase chinyomba cy'abakagerwa abo boibi ase omusako mutindi oyokorwe mambia rero n'aba community policing bakubwaterana no sub chief o nyimwa musioma iyo gotoka nyatieko enyomba ya nyamurenyo no ebinto ebinke byaba bigotoka bya nyomba buna chigas amone ebinde binge
Samuel Mawusomoli mondo mekemanya community nyatieko kesen sub kesen yane mwamba abantu abanyumba kumigo banga bali bintu abana chikaseni abana chikaseni cyane bakoyiba abana abana chikaseni cyane abana abandi ni chikaseni cyane amane ngatanga n'umugambi tukabanga gatakabanda ku mamasyo mateni mu mamasyo botu abo gisinga kianda abantu bali twataga tubonsi twabagwatira nemisigo twabaletira
chama n'abantu bana ba community policing tuaso asekenyo Kenya muranyo astu abere dokuna konyora report ngo bisabyo boibi yabere bitu buchororo pero tuika asemechi ya sabantu babakegurwa tuanyole bintu biro byo boibi patari konya kwara sasa baruete tuabebuata arabu chiribode nchibekira ase station yeito ya nyanchwa na nyatieko banyene ba identify bintu byabo igonko bakobatoro guchororo ase chipolisi chichito abanyene bakiremi ba identify bintu byabo egere bayire ruatu ya kisheria ntoke yandera ko gokora chikirak danyo kera chingaki egere tuwagikishe nga ebikorwa ebyo bosaria ase binyoro byito yabere bikoera n'abantu baitu bamenyire no morembe na samasikani
Ekiombe ky'ababundi abakorobwaga chikorwa ase county ya Nyamira nigo bamotogire umugavana bwe county ya Nyamira omusike Amos Nyaribo ase abayenekeire buna nigo arachi koba emirime yo asobonke
Samaria Tanguru Richard Dalili uyu Roma Secretary General w'Ekeonga Nyamira Masonry and Construction Workers Association Nyamira Ngime County sitangan kapese tete kwera ndi mugaba nambu yamono asinginje gutonyera buna abavundi abake bali tokorega asi obundi mara ange chi contract chire chikuba chikolika abantu kurusiko igoba mundi fanya ko benefit ase county ya Nyamira igeto agokere mono sana getambukira mugaba no iterete asinginje kunyora abavundi baito bogeto kumugori na tuli na maroro na toji tomorore eri ntomotebya mange side ikoroye industry yaito na inde naki turanyare gokonya na esengencho yugo ikere na babundu baitu banyamire county ngima andonsi sibale economy ngima ya Nyamira county banyore chigasi na baro banyare gwekonya Ekeombe twakebegete sengencho gokonya babundu nabona matemwa sogataiga abange batachi lakini ogende se penje stokobera abange bekana stemba kwa tigasi lakini chigasi na bachiganda tese county getukuria contract abagima once piece baika na bagocha yabache tubwate chibundi chisaini na bayiri bayisaine se county yetu ya Nyamira asokolegasi yobwagachi byamo
Omongino yo maserie tarusia muraundari kurwase ekenyoro kya inyasimwa mu yogotoka Nyaburumbasi ime yabo machoge chache nigo aminyere to muchando munene neye magega yabana baye nane bonsi kubwatwa na marwaire au wikira ogoko kwabo mongino yo bono niga bwatwa muchando munene kyafya na mono aborire ase akurara
Rusia muraundari umwaka na jeta oroti nkomanya abana nane nabate bakasi muna bagutira dio kagubuta bakantiga dubuta bono paka muna bono mwanya orai aje bali gusira umwako kwero umwanusira ibo ubugi mabua bano turutire ndi muno moikire mitande bano muna menete ngani enyomba bano intandete ingotuwe naki kibono kumiti naki nanje nare konyo enyumba imbere igwa nyengo chakuku ndusubu merende dibage mbule ko takontue
kaki nendakira mama aga ndinde na moyoro kururi ko enchara ya mutunga ndika kaji nekerebi nka moyoro kerebi ekapegete bono iga nkejete mo iga moto iga kusansura nkejete ma yekega keyete ncherache komoyora kururiko igoro yenchara ngonkorigi ndwanerete abana igonkorigi ndwanerete mama bono nchibweka na chandikire
omongino oyo namaye nabwata obokong'u kurwa abana baye baja tusira bakomwaka yagasira nabachandikete na nababwata obokong'u lakini togosaba Nyasaye ng'aki Nyasaye n'omonto omuya okunira abaminto bachira abarigereiri barorire ng'amaene pi omong'ino nachandegete nento abatire obokong'u omong'ino oyo kamuranche to bateba ngaki abamate n'abantu baito abamwachaga tokonye nere rinde mumini yakore gentu neragenda kororekana ase omuchoyega
nche nichole nabe getamangana ya social media ekero nanyorete esimi nakeretu no musani ona samangana mange toko batoko kola YouTube mwene getinge pagonte bigoro yo michano yo mungino nakero na getororo kimana niko nanyorete ngo mungino nero chandike kubunde bwensi nande natakeiro bokonyi igobona muna baminto bakwanire twanyalire kuira nelio yo mukombo yo bolemo lakini ntoba iranire tibole mu bwensi twara irani astokuagacha igobonde mboro butigarete kora nyolenga no bwato kubwa guko iraniri bari bando bole mu mungina twara sara yaleka kobaga kulemekera nyorje nyumba ni sawa lakini mostly mungino yo kende ngeri yabwata se bintu biri bikoro ku pesky needs onde bwensi ora atake korwa bokonyi bwae na bagotoma guchia se namba 0724 552 655 0724 552 655 Mpesa name Nancy Ombega.
Omoroki wo mutangani asa matemu akirasi gya gatano na gatatu ayo abetega kurariwa ritukuria igoro no mwaziri w'isemi Professor George Magoa Faith Mumo uyo betega kwenyorera amaxi chiminye M33 nigo bono aererire igoro gose atweresire igoro yoko bwakwaya asa matemu ayo
za kufua nguo, then mimi nikaenda kulala. Sasa kuamka, my dad was called by the priest, and the priest told him that your daughter is the number 1 in Kenya. So I got up, I suddenly got and sprang out of the bed. Then I went to my dad. Then my dad told me that I'm number 1. So when we opened the news, I found my name there, though wrongly spelled. That I even couldn't understand. Wow. So my dad, we are so happy, receiving a lot of calls from people congratulating me, and I thank God for this.
Togotigara ase amangana itsemi nigo abaroki w'abanyaruka babeire bagokoribya samatemu a K.C.P.E eyenkorengani wana bamura ase county Ekeonga eyenkorengana no mwaziri w'itsemi Professor George Magoa.
Class has defied all the challenges they went through last year to post an impressive result in the Kenya Certificate of Primary Education. An increase from 18 counties that registered more females than male in the last examination circuit. And it may be time that we start treating children equally, not paying too much attention to the female child. The highest number of candidates in this examination process were in the appropriate age group of 13 to 14 years and represented 806,720, representing 67.7%, a trend which has been replicated over the last 5 years.
Ekiombe kia ABARIMU Teacher Service Commission go se TSC nigo yatebire buna nigo gerachi kubainyora aboro kia bari babeire bagokora buya ase amatemwa a K.C.P.E yo mwaka oyo iga.
All teachers who perform exemplary well in their duties, and especially in recording improved performance in national examinations, which includes K.C.P.E. When we get the list from NEC, we shall recognize and reward such teachers, including those who have gone beyond the call of duty to deliver credible examinations.
To mention a unique case of a candidate by the name Titus Musili from Kaunguni Primary School in Kitui County, whom I was informed had been sent home from school over flimsy grounds of going to look for lunch money. He ended up missing with the English composition paper. The government has intervened to ensure that justice has been given to this child, and the child will get his results along with the others, and I want to thank the media fraternity for ensuring that this detail was given to us on time.
Togotigana nayo nigo tokogenda wikasensemo yebigambiro ase Philip MURGOR nigo abeire oyo gatano koringoriwa n'ekiombe ky'ebigambiro ya Judicial Service Commission neye nekero okoringoriwa kwa bari barachiko ba omunachi ebino munene kogenderete ase ekigambiro kyo ya Supreme.
At the time, I handled cases well beyond my pay grade until And I did get married while I was in the state law office. I should point out I met my beautiful and wonderful wife at the state law office. And so, Commissioner, Attorney General, I know there are good people there who are marriable even now. But I want to say that I got married there and I carried on. And in 1992, I finally found it a little difficult to raise a family within the terms of service at the time. And so both my wife and I left to set up private practice. So that is a significant part of a history that I would like to tell. I should also tell you that I did try and stay. I'm not a footloose civil servant. I don't pick up and go when I have a choice. I tried to work the system, to recognize the work that some of us were doing, but the system wasn't like it is now. It is far more responsive now. At that time, it was expected that you would want to leave anyway after a few years. And I remember writing a long letter explaining why I left. And when I finally saw that letter many years later, the then Solicitor General had said no.
Mwancho muriria unongo butorra mangana maya senchira yobwenge ye chinsechiga kurende nyora chikoraga chinsa 10 no yanyora na inda senchira yobwenge gendera gutwara uburigere bwo bye meyagetembe wika ebiro binde eritariane Everlyne Osero.